Careful, 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 the ceiling. Sorry. Just pops it and then I have a big problem on my hands.
So, you're about to introduce this video. Hello, welcome to my new series.
Today I'm doing something that I've never done on this channel before and I could not be more excited. Today I'm dyeing and transforming a complete stranger's head of hair. Could not be more excited. Let's meet our guest. Today I have with me Anna. That's pretty much all I know about her because you're a complete stranger to me otherwise. But I'm really excited to completely transform her hair, taking her from this gorgeous, slightly faded out copper to hopefully something a lot more exciting and a lot more Stella and Anna at this point. Let's go. We're excited. We're excited. Let's go! We're going to mix up the bleach.
You didn't even introduce me yet to the video.
I know, I'm going to do it. You're going to be my assistant.
Ah, your assistant, not what happened.
My junior apprentice. I'm going to be starting this transformation with 20 volume developer because I do want to lighten the hair. Most probably once I run out of the bleach I will have to go in with a stronger developer to quicken the process time of the front portion. So we'll bleach her hair.
This was whose idea? And who asked who for help?
I asked Ben for help.
Ah! Ben and I are a package. You either take him with me or you don't take him at all.
Here with us today as well, we have the lovely Dan, who is going to be my junior apprentice for this hair change.
No, he's not. He's
Engineering
producing the video.
You're gonna hand me things. Can you get me that comb, please? The white toothed comb.
This?
That's the one.
So talk me through what you're doing here. I know you're
so
parting
here
the hair.
we are. So we're doing more than parting. We're creating 4 quadrants. So these 2 back quadrants are going to be done with 20 volume developer.
That's actually really cool. Look at that. You look like an alien.
Can you not say that to my guest?
This one's weak, eh? This doesn't smell of anything.
That's the brush I'm going to be using. It's really cool because it looks like a paintbrush, but it's a hairbrush. What do you think will happen if you just apply bleach all over?
You have to apply them differently. I don't know which one's first.
When you have, so over here, color lifts slower than here. So if I were to apply bleach everywhere, this thing would become quite light quickly, but then this would be a lot slower. So then you'd have very much what's called as hot roots. So we're going to start applying the bleach on the copper only, and then we're going to go back and apply it to the rest of the hair after that.
I just realized something.
What?
You have to be kind of smart to be a hairdresser. You can't be dumb. There's quite a lot that goes into it.
I think that goes for most industries.
No, I pass you some of this tin foil. I like it. Look, this is the rainbow one I was talking about. Looks like an oil spill. The very important job of the newly qualified engineer.
You?
Don't get it on my hands because I will sue you.
Sue me, baby. We've just finished the entire back portion and it is pretty much lightened. And now I'm going to move on to the front portion, and because we need that to process quite a bit quicker to catch up with the back portion, I'm instead going to be going in with a 30 volume developer to speed up the process time. Taking a quick break here to rest my back, but also to introduce you to today's video sponsor, who are making it possible for me to expand my crew, get more people into the video, and overall make it a much better viewing experience. Today's video is sponsored by Surfshark, an app and extension that makes it possible for us to change our online location. Something that comes very handy for me when I'm doing my hair transformations. So Surfshark is a VPN that masks what you do online as well as allows you to change your IP address. One of the things that I like doing most when doing hair transformations, and one thing that I'll probably be doing when I'm having my guests over, is watching a ton of shows, specifically on Netflix. I'm based in Malta and a lot of really amazing shows are restricted for me. So I love to change my location to some place that offers all of these, like the United States, and I can watch The Office without any interruption or without any restrictions. It allows me to benefit from everything that is available worldwide and not just what's limited to my country. Another way that I really like what Surfshark offers is when it comes to buying or accessing certain products or materials. Certain things are available only to certain countries, which makes it a really limiting experience being online or whenever it is that I have to access something. So changing my IP address and changing my virtual location allows me to be able to access whatever it is I need, dyes, education, courses, whatever, without being limited or restricted. Along with all of these benefits, Surfshark also fully protects your online activity. If you're using public Wi-Fi and you're not sure if the connection is safe or not, using the VPN helps keep everything encrypted. That means that it blurs any of your information so no one can access it. Not only is this all really amazing in itself, but Surfshark are throwing in one additional thing. You can get 83% off of your Surfshark subscription if you use my code. They're also giving you 3 additional months free. Link to access it will be down below. Use my coupon code and benefit from this insane deal right now. Let's get back to the video. An hour and a half later, but her hair is fully bleached. As you can see, we got her almost to a level 10. It is beautiful. We're gonna go rinse out the back portion of her hair. We're gonna let the front process a bit more because it is not yet done. Then we're gonna get to dyeing it.
What's she doing?
This is called a porosity test, and if the hair feels too elastic, it means it's compromised. But if you feel it, it feels tight, like a rope, and it's not snapping.
I wanted to see what it's like if it's like elastic, you know.
We're not going to bleach her hair to that point, are we? Here we have the hair after a full bleach process. Normally for any other color I would have gone in with a purple shampoo, but because we are going for a coral, which is a very rich orange pink hue, I did definitely leave it natural so that the natural pigment, the natural grassiness of the hair can actually help intensify the color. I am going to go in with a bit of K18. This thing is amazing when it comes to chemical services. You spray it, saturate the hair before drying it, and then you can go in with your hair dye.
This the news, tell them read it. Been the one since a fetus. Don't sleep on me, Tempur-Pedic. That's a no. Spending dope for no reason. Got a ball head, Mr. Cleaner. Heard the big bags overseas, then we gon' go. Whoa, I press the button and the doors go up like, whoa. That money clip us now, that new now looks like, whoa. Upgrade her diamonds, now her girlfriends are like, whoa. I press the button and the doors go up like, whoa.
Or I just went ahead and dried her hair because when you apply dye on wet hair, water acts as a barrier and helps the color become a lot less bright. Because her roots lifted a tiny bit lighter than the rest of her hair because they were virgin hair, we're going to mix up a slightly different mixture for here and then a final mix for the money piece. I'm going to be using a mix of all the oranges and pinks that I have. Using a base of white conditioner to add bulk to my dyes and also make them a tiny bit less bright than vibrant.
You want your eyebrows done at the same time? We've got some extra leftover bleach. You can mix up, bleach them, and Stella's got experience. She's dyed hers very many. Getting vibes from that Suicide Squad, the main girl. What's her name? Oh,
Why would you do that?
Harley Quinn.
But why?
I'm just getting Harley Quinn vibes.
But her hair is half blue and half red at the end of her.
I know what you want, but I'm getting both just for redundancy. There's this and this. I think these are the ones you wanted. It kind of looks like the anti-fouling on really expensive super yachts.
What a way to ruin an experience, babe. Don't listen to him, that actually looks nice. Which I'm assuming when you say anti-fouling,
It looks like the waterline of a ship. Look, I'll show
someone
you.
who doesn't know what anti-fouling is imagining like mud green or something.
Look, this is the anti-fouling of a ship. And that's her head. It looks very similar.
That's a brown-red color.
Wow, I think that looks like the anti-fouling, no? And that's the head of hair. It's very
You're
close.
covering my camera.
Ah, how nice. That kind of looks like one of those neon tubes that you break in half when you go fishing.
Eva, everything bad. Can't you just call it a coral or a flower?
I'm only an apprentice, so I don't know.
Finally done with the hair color. I'm actually super excited to see how it's going to look because so far it is looking like the dreamiest color ever. We're gonna let this process for a little while and then wash it off. Thanks guys, everyone can go home. 6 hours though. To maintain the color as much as possible, I'm using this color security shampoo by Colorwow. They sent this to me, so let's try this out.
So bad watching you do like someone you don't know's hair. Only I've watched it with somebody you know.
Money by Chris Appleton and Colorwow.
Che mente gentile di hairdresser ti la me.
Going in first with the Olaplex number 6 because this hair is bleached and it's going to need all of the resurrection it can get, and then going in with the Colorwow Dream Coat for the best blowout shine.
See what she said?
sea salt spray and a tiny bit of hairspray to make them relax. Vai. I love it. I love it. I'm gonna flip you off. Show them. Let's play around with your hair. This is the very final result on the beautiful Anna. We ended up with this gorgeous, gorgeous coral mermaid aesthetic. We've got the light money piece in front, we've got the blended root to the ends, and overall it just looks stunning. You look stunning. I'm so in love with the whole look, and even though we did bleach her hair completely, it is still gorgeous. It took the clutter beautifully and I love it. I really hope you love it as well, and I feel like in the 7 hours that I was with you, I got to know you a bit more. Thank you so much. I hope you have fun with your hair.
Put your hand up if you can hear me. Oh, oh yes. Put one finger up. Put one finger. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. I wish there was a camera on her face.
But there isn't.
The look I got.